here is unit number 2. It's the 23rd of October. And this is the construction update video. Very nice. Tankless water heaters in. Going to the bathroom. Okay, very nice. A view of it. Okay, all the water's connected. Going in upstairs. Looks like they're doing touch-up paint. Okay, here's the guest room. Here's the master. Okay. Very nice. Looking into the closet, which is fabulous. Okay. Here's your bathroom.
Hello, sir.
Hello, Tomas. And this is looking good. The bathroom looks, all the water's connected. Everything is working. Yes, air conditioner's on, blowing nice.